All right, everybody. So once again, you all are welcome to the next set of panel discussions. So I'm sure after having a refreshing cup of tea or a coffee, you must be more energized to attend the next set of sessions. So yes, everybody. So now we are going to talk about the industry speech, and the topic is role of acoustics in learning spaces. And to talk about this topic, I would like to welcome our next speaker, Mr. Vikas Mehrotra, the Territory Manager, East Bangladesh and Bhutan from Knauf Ceiling Solutions. With a huge round of applause, everybody, एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ, please welcome Mr. Vikas Mehrotra on the stage.
Yeah, good morning, everybody. I would like to thank you each and everyone who is present here for giving their valuable time. It's a real honor for me to speak in front of you. What I will talk to today about is about Knauf Ceiling Solution profile, followed by the role of acoustics in education segment. So 2 worlds, 1 brand. I would rather say 2 world global brands. So Knauf Ceiling Solution is more than 150 years old company and having presence in 8 countries and having 11 plants worldwide. It is established in 2019, Knauf Ceiling Solutions. So Knauf as a group has 4 divisions. Knauf Ceiling Solutions, which has established in 2019, Knauf Insulation, Knauf Gypsum, and Knauf Industries. So we are multi-material solution company. We have huge range of products, starting from mineral fiber ranges to wooden ceilings to metal ceilings and wood-wool-based ceilings. We have huge range in wall panelings, from the wooden wall panelings, fabric wall panelings, and wood-wool-based wall paneling. We are the founding member of the Indian Green Building Council, which is GRIA. We have GRIA certification. All our mineral fibers are having GRIA certification and also Green Pro certification to ARKETE. So areas of application, you name them, and we are there almost everywhere. Whether it is education segment, healthcare, offices, transportation, or the retail segments. We are almost having presence all the areas. Now I will show the capabilities about Knauf Ceiling Solutions. These are the professional photographs being taken of the worldwide, and just this will take 2 minutes of your time. So enhancing the learning environment. So what is the agenda of today's presentation? It is just acoustics, and acoustics, what we will talk about. So I think many of you would have heard what the teachers or the students would have been saying. Am I audible? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. What page are we on? So these are the problems, recent problems, which are the students as well as teachers would have been facing. So this is a short video which talks about the acoustics, role of acoustics in today's education segment. So on an average, students, here's one we used to also study when teacher says three of the words, two of the words were understood. One words we ask our students what ma'am is saying. So we all care deeply about education segment. So it defines the future. When we discuss about ways to improving education, we only focus on the sending. How good is the curriculum? How good are the teachers? How good is the infrastructure? We completely forget about the receiving. So speech intelligibility decreases when background noise increases. So speech intelligibility can be defined as how clearly a person speaks so that his or her speech is comprehensible to a listener. So this is a present learning scenario. We see that noise from all the sides, whether it is a background noise or the noise from above the floors or the below the floors or the playground noise. So this all affects the students and the teachers' learning environment. So if the background noise is too loud, students simply can't hear what they are being taught. So this is true for all. So for students having hearing impairment, having second language, or the learning challenges, reverberation having the more severe effect. On an average, we see that 45% of the students having the learning spent most of their time listening, 45%, whereas 30% is just speaking and 16% reading. So when classroom acoustics are poor, it can cause problems to a student as well as the teachers both. So the communication levels hinders a lot. So one has to design in such a way that acoustics plays a major role. So noise creates stress. What happens generally when the teachers having the last classes? He or she wants to speak in a louder voice so that it can goes to last bench. In order to do so, he or she missed the last classes, and this having a major impact on the teachers. So blocking of the sound, which is CAC, ceiling attenuation class, and NRC, which is noise reduction coefficient, we say, absorbing of the sound. So combination of both will having the total acoustic solutions. This is a video which is a case study we have taken. This is of Central University of Rajasthan, where this Professor Mr. Neeraj Gupta is like a classroom has been taken where the RT reverberation time was 1.45 seconds. And there are like one cannot hear what he is speaking.
This room are coming as 4. Sounds unbelievable. I do not know whether it is correct or not.
The same classroom was treated with acoustics.
1.58 actually.
And it got declined from 1.45 second to 0.58 second. So there was drastic change when acoustical material was used. One can hear what he is speaking. So as per the National Building Code, which was released in 2016, it states that classrooms should have been designed as 0.6. So 0.6 is the guidelines which has been given by the National Building Code. This is some of the schools which we have done case studies, like Saraswati Mandir, Central University of Rajasthan, many schools in India, where you can see that RT before when there was no treatment being done, and after the treatment, after using the acoustic material, you can see apart from 2 schools, all have turned into green. So once acoustics material has been used, so there is a good amount of communication, like learning as well listening. The students can hear what the teacher is saying, and the students can hear what the... So this plays a major role. So this is a case study which has been done. So total acoustic, a simple solution, a modest cost, can only transform the way the students hear. And we will just show you one video like why acoustics is very important in today's education segment. So who is at more risk? It is the teachers, which we have already discussed. So in order to like speak at a larger decibel, he or she has to speak like 75 dB, whereas the normal dB is around 45 to 50 dB. So he or she has to raise her voice. So the teachers are the most, like you can say, losing significant life expectancy because of this. So this is a video I just wanted to show. So by this, I want to end my presentation with a note like, let's create engaging learning environment together. Thank you for giving your time.
Thank you so much, sir. So now it's time to felicitate him, and to do the honor, I would request Chandan sir, if you are here around, to please come on the stage. Okay, so I would request Anand sir to please come on the stage. Anand Krishnan sir, if you are here around, to please come on the stage and felicitate our respected speaker, Mr. Vikas Mehrotra. Everybody please put your hands together for none other than Mr. Vikas Mehrotra, the Territory Manager, East Bangladesh and Bhutan from Knauf Sealing Solutions. Thank you so much, sir, for coming here and joining us and for your valuable speech.